Hi there once again. In today's video, we're going to study sum and difference of two cubes. Before that, let's find the square root of the following numbers or expressions. What is the cube root of 8? Cube root of 8 is 2. What about the cube root of 27? 3. What about 125? The cube root of 125 is 5. What about x cubed? The technique is easy. All we need to do is to divide the exponent by 3. So 3 divided by 3 means 1. So the cube root of x cubed is x. While the cube root of 64y cubed is 4y. And the cube root of x to the 6, again, divide 6 by 3, we have x squared. It is very important in this lesson that you know how to get the cube root, or to check if a given term is a perfect cube. Now, let's have the two formulas that we're going to use in finding or in factoring sum and difference of two cubes. So this is the formula. Take note. The first term and the second term are both perfect cube. So all we need to do is to get the cube root of the first term, put it here, and cube root of the second term, put it there. If the operation here is plus, you put plus here, and you put minus here. Now for the second part, square the first term, and put it here. Multiply the first and the second term and put it here, and square the last term, put it here. The same process is being used if it is minus. The only changes is where you put the plus and the minus. So in this situation, since this is minus, we put minus there and we put plus here. Okay? Now let's have our first example. Factor 8 plus b cubed. 8 is a perfect square and 8 is a perfect cube and b cubed is a perfect cube. The operation here is plus, so this is the formula that we're going to use. Solution. Get the cube root of 8. It's 2. Then put the plus and get the cube root of b cubed. That is b. For the second group, or the second factor, square the first term, that is 4. Follow the formula there, that is minus. Then multiply this 2, we have 2b. And then square this, square b, so we have b squared. So, the factor of the quantity 8 plus b cubed is the quantity of 2 plus b times the quantity of 4 minus 2b plus b squared. Let's have another one. Factor 27x to the 6 minus 1. 27x to the 6 is a perfect cube. 1 is also a perfect cube. So the formula that we're going to use is this one. Let's have now the solution. So get the cube root of 27x to the 6th. Remember, for the x, we just divide this by 3. So the answer is 3x squared minus the cube root of 1 is 1. For the second group, square the first term. Then we put the plus, just like in the formula. And then multiply this 2. And we have 3x squared. And square the last term. That is 1. Okay? Example number 3. Factor 16x to the 4th minus 54x. Now, this time, you will notice that 16 and x to the 4th is not a perfect cube. 54x is also not a perfect cube, but we could factor them by greatest common monomial factor. So 16 and 54 can be divided by 2, x to the fourth, and x can be divided by x. So first we'll get the common factor. So the common factor will be 2x times the quantity of x, 8x cubed minus 27. Now you will notice here that the 8x cubed and the 27 are both perfect cube. Now we could use the formula above to factor this part. So we have the 2x, get the cube root of 8x cubed, we have 2x, follow the sign, and get the cube root of 27. That is 3. So for the second part, square the first term here, which is 2x. So it becomes 4x squared. Multiply this 2x and 3. Again, from the formula, we put plus here. So we have 6x. Then square the last term, and we have 9x. This is already the complete factor of 16x to the fourth minus 54x. Okay? Now let us continue. At this time, we're going to check if you understood the lesson. Again, you may pause the video to give you time to answer the following questions. Question number 1. Factor completely 1 minus x cubed. Pause the video to give you time to answer. The answer is quantity 1 minus x times the quantity of 1 plus x squared. Question number 2. Factor completely 27x cubed plus y cubed. Again, pause the video to give you time. The answer is quantity x 3x plus y times the quantity of 9x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. Question number 3. Factor completely 2x cubed plus 16y to the sixth. Pause the video. And the answer is 2 times the quantity of x plus 2y squared times the quantity of x squared minus 2xy squared plus y to the fourth. Thank you. Helping others will make you better. So share what you've learned and share this video with the others. Thank you for watching. I hope you learn new things. Thank you. Bye.